unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Sneezing from allergies is usually stronger and more frequent than from a cold. Allergies irritate your nose with harmless triggers like pollen, causing intense sneezing. A cold caused by a viral infection leads to milder sneezing. If your sneezes are powerful and repetitive, allergies are likely behind it.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.